So we're back out at this one. A week ago, I commented on this vehicle when I was doing a recovery. There's the OEM Toyota Denso condenser. Here's the aftermarket condenser. And I said, let's see if they use an aftermarket and let's see if it leaks or not. Because it was holding refrigerant, it was working. I did the recovery, so I know what was not wrong with it. Let's see, who do we got here? That's who we got here. So I actually even went out of my way to mention about getting an OEM. Something looks funky in there. I see some white stuff in there. What is that white stuff? I wonder if you put lithium grease in there. I said sometimes, and I told him this specifically, you get an aftermarket condenser, and sometimes the machining isn't right in the fittings. So even if you put a brand new OEM O-ring on the OEM line and you put it in, it might leak. The same down here. Sometimes these are not machined right, so I'm not sure which one, but check this out. So it was not leaking before. They now put an aftermarket on it. You see the 0? I had it at 29. Let's open this sucker up. Get it down there. You can hear the air coming out. Now you're gonna watch this. It's not gonna go down into a deep micron level. You see that? It's like right at the border, but it can't pull deep. Now let's turn off the vacuum. Watch how fast it drops. So I'm gonna go get the ultrasonic leak detector and see what I find. And just for shits and giggles, I'll bring out the high pressure nitrogen. I'll hook up the dry nitrogen to the system, see if it leaks under pressure. But we have a massive leak here under vacuum. And I literally picked this one out saying if they put on an aftermarket, it'll probably leak. And here I am, I'm back a week later. They put on aftermarket and it's leaking. What do you know? No miracle. Aftermarket, you're effed. That's all I gotta say. And I charge for this. I'm out here. This is not my problem. If you're a dumbass and the insurance company's a dumbass and they say we want you to save money by using aftermarket, it leaks. You get charged for dumbass decisions. See you guys later.